Hi there, I'm Lynanne Anstey and this is my colleague.
Hi, I'm Rebecca.
We're here today to draw for our October Dining Club NL prizes. We've already done our 50-50, so we're going to move on now to our 2 early bird prizes. And people who are in this draw have purchased their tickets on October 1st by 3 p.m. That was the early bird deadline. So we're going to go ahead and do the first prize draw now. It's for the Nook and Cannery. It's a gift certificate for $150. Good luck, everyone.
Okay. Right. All right, and the winner is Angela Clark Ivany, ticket 0267. Congrats,
cool.
Angela.
Congratulations, Angela. Okay, so we're going to do our second prize now, which is a gift certificate for the Bagel Cafe, valued at $150.
All right, and this winner is Elmo Russell, ticket 0492.
Congratulations. We're going to move on now to our first formal draw of October, in that this is one of our 12-month draws. So it will be our first and second and third place prizes. Before that, we do that, we're going to put the rest of the tickets back in the barrel, and we'll stay tuned for that, and we'll be right back. Hi everyone, Lynanne and Rebecca here. We're back again. Now we're going to draw for our first, second, and third place October prizes for our Dining Club NL 2024-2025 lottery. So we're really excited to get things going, and we're just going to dig in right away. So our first prize for October is dinner for 2 at the View and a wine gift basket valued at $400. So good luck, everyone. So we have put the tickets back in that were not part of the early bird. So all tickets that were sold are in this barrel right now. So good luck.
All right, and the winner is Jamie Cure, ticket 982. Congrats, Jamie.
Put that back in there. Wonderful. Second prize is a gift certificate for Jumping Bean, and that's valued at $40.
Winner is Kelly Ann Meadus, ticket 931. Congrats, Kelly.
And now our third prize is a gift certificate for Urban Market, valued at $40.
All right, and the winner is Kelly Ann Meadus.
Wow, Kelly Ann, you're lucky. Awesome. Okay, so we will be in touch with the winners and discuss how to pick up or mail your prizes. And thank you so much, everyone, for supporting our lottery this year. It really means a lot to us and it makes a difference. Stay tuned. We have a whole year of draws every month coming up. So it's an exciting thing, and we appreciate your support. Thanks again.
Thanks, guys. Congrats, everyone.